My viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Now today I'll be presenting to you green rice made from pumpkin leaves. We'll be starting by washing our pumpkin leaves. I already washed it twice, so this is me doing it for the third time. Next, I will be blending. Okay, so firstly I'll be chopping the pumpkin leaves and adding them to the blender. Guys, you all should think about trying this. You can look up the benefits of pumpkin leaves. Let us all eat healthily. Let us all start taking care of ourselves. Let our food be our medicine and our medicine our food. So guys, now I have loaded the pumpkin leaves and added my water, so I'll be moving on to blending. Alright, so now that I have completely blended let me show you. Now that I have completely blended our pumpkin leaves, I will be placing the pot on the fire, adding the pumpkin leaves to it, allow it to boil a little bit, then I'll be adding the rice. Here we go. So the water is heating up, so I'll be adding some other ingredients, then the rice. So guys, now I'll be adding the remainder of the ingredients. Now this is thyme, adding a pepper, hot pepper, coconut powder, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, now I'll be adding garlic, onion and scallion. So guys, now the pot was boiling, so now I'm gonna add the rice. Guys, you can use whatever rice you want to use, but I will be using regular white rice. adding a little bit of salt to this for taste, and then a little drop of cooking oil. To moisten. Alright, and I'll be covering again. I removed the pressure cooker rubber so it won't be pressuring, so guys, don't worry about it. The rubber is not there, so it's not going to be pressured. It's not going to be pressure cooked. Tell me where you guys are watching from, what you think about the video, if it is something that you would try. Many people don't know that pumpkin leaves can be eaten. Yes, it is a very good vegetable. You know, you can add it to your meal. It's very healthy. As I know, my thing is about healthy cooking, healthy lifestyle. But tell me where you're watching from, what you think about the video in the comment section. So guys, this is the finished product. What do you think of it? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another interesting video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do subscribe. I will see you in another video.